Our story begins with acknowledging just how good we are at exploring uncharted waters. As a company, we're great at building relationships and improving partnerships. And so when we developed life sciences, the thought was becoming more comprehensive and more holistic of a partner to our partner organizations and going beyond what we were offering in just healthcare technology at the time. The life sciences practice is really comprised of three verticals. And so first and foremost, our pharmaceutical and biotech vertical. What are we doing? We're aiming to eliminate the bottlenecks that are currently associated with getting medicines and drugs to market. And so offering much more acute and tailored services than the typical cookie cutter model currently offered by your standard CRO. And really offering both people and services from both early discovery and early development through commercialization, as I mentioned, to get these next generation of precision medicines to the patient. Our second vertical is research and clinical trials, and it's bringing that trial itself under the spotlight. And so recognizing the 100 partners that we have in universities and health systems and hospitals, we now have the ability to provide relevant solutions that expand research programs, bring in additional funding, and again, get these trials started and products to market. So we have, for example, a monitoring service that is built as a fee-for-visit model, and we've also got a study activation and a study startup team that can be deployed around the country for very targeted and short-term support that the sponsors are even willing to pay for at times. And then finally, really most excitingly, our clinical services vertical. So like many organizations, we had the opportunity to play an active role in the COVID-19 response. And unlike many of those organizations, I think we are now leveraging that experience to really raise the standard of what these partnerships should look like in the clinical sector. And so acknowledging that there's a real gap of talent, 400,000 nurses here in America, we're building a nursing residency program, unlike anything we've seen, and we're actively investing into international partnerships and pipelines of talent to bring here to America. And so in summary, I think you've seen Medasource for the last 10 or 11 years make an impact that really began at the provider and was felt down to the patient. And I think with the life sciences practice, we now have the chance to make that impact from the researcher all the way down to the patient as well.